Hustling is killing us faster than we know. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Mikey T, and I help brands and companies use film to create communities that help them avoid burnout. Now, we all know the Lost in Time Music Festival just went by in Jamaica, and I recently came across a picture taken by my brother, Jamar Cleary, and a video by Nicholas Renford on IG. First, let me say the quality of the video and the picture here is just different, and it drives this narrative. We already know that reggae music has a superpower, and it heals the world with those superpowers. But bigger than all of that, this picture and this video shows a man that has an aura of peace and is settled into his true being. The outfit, the performance, the look on his face, it's all of one person who knows himself and is going through the world purposefully and intentionally his way. This is a level of confidence and peace most of us, rich or poor, will never reach. Most of us are hustling or chopping for the money, fighting hard to stay ahead of the bills, or a life that we know we want to avoid, making decisions not based on our own wants or needs, but on external factors. This level of calmness and peace is one I pray to give to my own family, because nothing is more powerful than a man or a woman who knows themselves, knows where they're going, and is unapologetic about it.